Okay, so remember that a decade is worth 10. So 10 divided into 50 is 5. So the answer is 5 decades. Number 4. Estimate the product of 73 and 37. So we have 73 and 37. Product means multiply. Well, we're estimating. So 73 is closer to 70. 37 is closer to 40. And now we multiply. Bring down our 2 zeros. 4 times 7 is 28. So the estimated product is 2,800. Number 5. Round 1,679 to the nearest hundred. The 6 is in the hundreds place, so I'm going to go ahead and write my 1. Now let's go next door to the 7. 7 is greater than 4, so it's going to knock my 6 into become 7. So my answer is 1,700. Number 6. It says which angle appears to be a right angle. Remember, a right angle is the letter L, and I'm not drawing it straight. But a right angle is a perfect L. Let me tell you what. Let me make 2 lines. Okay, so that is a right angle. So we will need to look, and you might have to turn your paper around several different times. But the angle CMB is a right angle. Or we can write it angle BMC. Remember, M is the vertex, so it has to stay in the middle. Number 7. It says on this number line, the arrow is pointing to what mixed number? Well, the arrow is pointing after the 3, but before the 4, so it will be 3 and something. Now we need to count how many dash marks, how many tick marks there is between 3 and 4. The answer to that is 10. There are 10 tick marks. And our arrow is pointing to the 3rd tick mark. So the answer is 3 3/10. Number 8. If a number cube is rolled once, what is the probability of rolling a 2? Okay, remember that a number cube has 6 sides. So it would be something out of 6. The probability of it rolling a 2 is 1 out of 6. 1/6, or we can say 1 out of 6, or 1 out of 6. Those are the 3 possibilities of how we can write it. Number 9. What is the length of this rectangle? Okay, remember, length goes this way. That's length. Width is up and down. So looking at the rectangle, our length is 2 centimeters. That's A part. Now B part says, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is where we add every side together. So this side is worth 2. This side is worth 1. Then we have another 2 and another 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So it is 6 centimeters. Our perimeter is worth 6 centimeters. Number 10. 8n equals 72. To find n, 8 times something equals 72. To find n, we need to divide 8 into 72. 8 will divide into 72 9 times, so n equals 9. Number 11, we have 1/3 plus 2/3. When we're adding and our denominators are the same, it stays at a 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3/3 equal 1. 12. It says 6 minus 3 and 1/3. Remember, I cannot subtract a fraction from nothing. So I will need to make this into 5 and find my common denominator, which is 3 and 3/3, which equals 1. So this is 5 and 3/3 minus 3 and 1/3. 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2/3. 5 minus 3 is 2, so my answer is 2 and 2/3. 13. 3 minus 1/4. Again, I cannot subtract a fraction from nothing, so I need to make this 2 and 4/4 minus 1/4, and now I can subtract. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus nothing is 2. 14. 4,217 minus 363. Let's subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. I cannot subtract, so I will come over and borrow. 11 minus 6 is 5. 11 minus 3 is 7. No, excuse me, 8. 3 minus nothing is 3. So my answer is 3,854. 15. My problem is $10 minus $4 plus $3.75. Remember, we need to work the parentheses first. So 4 plus $3.75 is $7.75. And we're subtracting it from 10. So now we have $10 minus $7.75. Cannot subtract, so we'll come until we can borrow. $10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. So our answer is $2.25. 16. 132 times 325. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16.